cooking another simple pasta recipe that our kids enjoy. So, we call this clam pasta. Okay? Very basic lang yung ingredients natin. Clams, of course, this is around 1 kilo of clams, which actually, this is an old stock of mine. Na-steam ko na siya previously. So, if you will see, mayroon siyang konting sabaw. So, I keep that kasi that gives flavor to the dish. Tapos, loads of garlic. This is one whole head of garlic. Whatever fresh herbs I have. So, right now, I have with me spring onions rather. Tapos, butter, 2 tablespoons of butter. 2 chicken cubes. Tapos, 1/2 cup na white wine. And then, of course, noodles. We usually use angel hair or capellini and spaghetti for this dish. Pero they prefer the smaller type ng noodles kasi mas kumakapit yung sauce niya. Dahil yung sauce nito, medyo watery, what do you call this? It's not thick. Okay, and then of course, water, dried herbs, olive oil, salt and pepper, and cheese for later, and lemon. Okay, so let's start.
And I know that looks like hair, like
yeah, that's like your hair.
Yeah, but
so
it's not
we'll
really made of hair.
Yep.
It's only made of oil. Okay.
Olive oil, butter, 2 tablespoons of butter. It's roughly around 2 tablespoons din yun.
I wish they wasn't
olive oil.
video.
It's very simple kasi kung isasama mo kung hindi ako magsa-stock ng clams or kasama yung pagluto ng clams, this whole dish kasama yung noodles is just 30 minutes to cook. And then yung aking garlic, which I will only cook half cook lang siya, yung slightly brown lang. Okay? And then, since I'm using dry herbs, kasama ko na yung aking basil sa pag-saute. So that's mga 1 teaspoon of basil.
You can help mommy if you want, because I'm gonna help mom.
Kasi yung flavor, since dried yung leaves, so tulog din yung flavor niya. So the flavor from the herbs comes from oil. Okay? Kaya sinasama ko siya sa pag-saute from the very beginning, from the start. And then, dahil itong cubes, hindi ko pa na-dilute sa tubig. Ay, na-dilute rather. Ang tagal hindi ko pa siya na-dissolve sa tubig.
It smells good. Something smells good, Mom.
Yup. Ay, naku, kinain yung bread ko.
It's fine.
Okay.
Don't bother him. It's fine, Mom. He's hungry.
So, again, yung noodles, this is 450 grams of noodles. I cooked according to packaging. There. So, lalagay ko na yung aking clams kasama yung sabaw niya.
Wow, something smells good, but there's just the butter and the taste. It's not good.
And then yung aking wine. I usually put pag 1 kilo, mga 1 cup of wine. Kaso because of quarantine period, bawal daw yung naka-liquor ban. So, wala akong mabili kahit pang luto. Tapos, tatakpan ko lang siya. And then, titikman ko kung okay na yung flavor niya. If not, we will add more salt later.
Didn't know that. Wow.
I'll taste it.
But I wanna.
Okay. Okay na yung lasa niya actually. Then pepper.
I can see it. It looks like rain in the shower.
Yes. And then, itong ating pasta. Nalagay ko na siya. Oh wait, hinaan natin muna ito. Okay. We'll toss in our noodles.
Whoa. I can't even see the shell where it is, and and the noodles is
So yung
big like
water,
this.
hindi ko na siya nagamit kasi yung liquid nung clams, okay naman enough to coat this. Tapos later, pag pinlate ko na siya, i-drizzle ko lang siya ulit ng extra olive oil. Ngayon, kaya 2 cubes yung nilagay ko kasi yung clams, nung na-steam siya, noon, wala siyang flavor. It's just the pagkalinis ng clams, nilagay lang sa lalagyan, hinayaan siya mag-sweat, mag-isa. So, natural sweat na yung nakikita nyo. So, there. And then, yung fresh herbs natin, lagyan natin sa ulit.
Whoa.
Yes, wow.
It smells good.
Yup.
Yeah, but it's the same as noodles, you know.
Yes, replate na siya ni Mami.
Yay.
Ganun lang siya kabilis.
Oh, so that's why we're gonna get for eating, so we can put it on our plate. Oh.
Yes.
And help you anyway.
You didn't help me?
Yeah.
You helped me. Oh, you tell them. Don't forget
So like and subscribe.
to like and subscribe.
Like the video and click the bell icon.
Okay, so please don't forget to follow us on Facebook.
And
Please like
and subscribe.
and subscribe. And make a comment in the comment section. And also, please don't forget to share the video. With our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Oh, tapos, and feel free to make a
If you press it, it will
comment.
sing. It will
We also have an Instagram account. Please follow us at Marie's Home Cooked Meals.
Why are you putting lemon again? It will be
Because
sad for me.
lemon is yummy. With seafood dishes.
This tastes good.
Which one?
This, the lemon, it tastes good. I like it.
So, here's our clam pasta. Very simple.
You can do
Clam
it again,
pasta.
Mommy.
Again, please don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Please don't forget to make a comment on the comment section below. And please share this video with our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell
We'll put
icon.
this back first.
For our Instagram account, please follow us at Marie's Home Cook. Thank you and